Now it's going. All right. Someone should be talking. Start with you. Say your name.
Felicia Katz,
And you're here at EmmaNCUR because?
because I'm presenting research that I did with Dr. Whitman, with Emma.
Okay, wait a minute. Go on in, Emma.
Okay. Hi.
Name.
I'm Emma Shoemaker,
Okay, and you're in psychology.
and I'm in psychology, and I'm here with Felicia presenting our research that we did with Dr. Whitman.
Okay, so why don't you talk over?
Okay. Our poster looks at media violence and aggression, and how watching different types of different genres of video media can impact your hostility and tends to let you punishment of others. So, yeah, you explain what we did.
Okay, we looked at 4 different types of violence. Religious torture violence, secular torture, hand-to-hand combat violence, and violence that's inflicted by nature. And these are examples of all the different types of violent videos that we used. We were looking at basically their aggression levels and their willingness to inflict pain on a competitor after watching the different types of violence. Basically what we found is that with the hand-to-hand fighting combat violence, they were much more likely to inflict a maximum level noise punishment on a competitor than if they were watching any of the other types of violence, either the torture or the violence by nature.
Mm-hmm.
But we also found that those individuals that were the highest on the state hostility scales were not the ones that were inflicting the high punishment noise on their competitor. Those were more the torture groups that had the highest hostility levels, but they weren't showing it with their.
So what surprised you the most?
This was a surprising finding that the hostility did not necessarily reflect the level of punishment inflicted. So that's something for further research, but we're looking at an altruism type explanation that people that watched the torture violence were feeling bad about, watching that other person be tortured, so they wouldn't want to, even though they were feeling highly hostile, they were keeping that in check and showing some kindness to their opponent. So.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now it won't shut up. It's a magical device. Couldn't get it to work, and I can't get it to stop. Seriously.
So, did you press